Why was it valid to take a short position just below the level, right? When you saw this big kind of red candle over here, stop loss above this level, and we're simply looking to target the following level down here, right? Why did you get the follow through with this trade over here? What gave you the confirmation? So we want to understand what was going on inside of this level. What was going on, right? What was going on? Let's break this down. So can you see over here, let's bring TradingView next to the ATAS platform, right? This is my favorite exercise in the world. I want all the traders to understand this, right? So when you see this is showing you essentially the break and the retest to take price lower. And the reason this worked out is because I want you to pay attention to, again, the fact that aggressive buyers were not getting their way. Is this a supply zone or a demand zone? Well, it's a supply zone. There was more supply than there was demand because aggressive buyers failed to break above the level, right? In fact, we had aggressive buyers here, blue delta. Now, what really gave it away to me was this, right? I want traders to understand. We had a green candle. Okay, doesn't mean much. We had 284 for 513. That is roughly a 2x difference. There were double the amount of aggressive buyers than there were aggressive sellers. The ask was significantly bigger than the bid. That means that buyers were aggressive. Okay, we also had a 0 at the top, right? 0 for 83 market participants hitting the ask, but a lot of these aggressive buyers failed here. We saw a break below the level. So what does that show you about all of the aggressive buyers in this zone, especially here? So this green candle corresponds to this green candle over here, or this green candle over here. It's showing you the retest of aggressive buyers has been unsuccessful. An unsuccessful retest of the buyers trying to break price above the zone means that sellers are in control. You want to take price down, and so that is the reason you could have taken a sell from this position, right? So it's as simple as that. And I don't want to trivialize my strategy, but it's really as simple as waiting for price to hit a fair value gap, waiting for price to enter inside of the fair value gap, and understanding the interaction between buyers and sellers, right? So the only reason a fair value gap holds is because in this case sellers were in control, right? That's it. Sellers were in control, and the entire strategy is trading from this fair value gap to this fair value gap, right? That's all you're waiting for. That's it. Now, to finish off this video, I just want to show you the power of essentially these key levels, because when you know that sellers are in control, you can look for buying and selling pressure, or buyers and sellers again in that level, right? So this was Tuesday's level, and you can see the market actually held this level on Thursday as well. So the same thing happened here. Sellers were in control at this level, causing price to go lower. And so this is the only reason the market sells off, right? The only reason the market sells off is because of a break and retest where buyers fail to break above the level.